Hi, Tia.
Hi, Ollie.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. Today is a nice day.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love them. What about you?
I like rainy days more.
Really? Why?
Because I love the sound of rain. It's relaxing.
That's nice, but I prefer the sun.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, but sometimes it's a little boring.
What's your favorite subject?
I love English. It's fun. What about you?
I like math. It's my favorite subject.
Oh, math is difficult for me.
Really? I think it's easy.
I prefer history. It's interesting.
I like history too, but I don't like science.
I love science. It's exciting.
Who is your favorite teacher?
I like Miss Johnson. She is kind.
I like Mr. Smith. He tells funny stories.
That's cool. Some teachers are strict.
Yes, but they help us learn.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a pilot. I love airplanes.
Wow! That's amazing. I want to be a doctor.
That's a great job. You will help people.
Yes, I love helping others.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She is younger than me. What about you?
I have two brothers. One is older and one is younger.
That's nice. Do you play together?
Yes, we play football on weekends.
What do you do in your free time?
I play video games. What about you?
I like drawing and painting.
That's nice. What do you like to draw?
I love drawing animals and flowers.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I like swimming. And you?
I play football. It's my favorite sport.
Football is fun.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah. She is very kind.
How long have you been friends?
We have been friends for 3 years.
What do you like to do together?
We like to draw and play games.
That sounds fun.
And who is your best friend?
My best friend is Omar. He is very funny.
What do you like to do together?
We like to play football and video games.
That sounds fun.
Do you like music?
Yes. I love music. What about you?
I like music too. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I like rock music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love action movies. What about you?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh.
Comedy is fun.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I love pasta. It's delicious.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. And you?
I like coffee. What's your favorite color?
I love blue. It's beautiful. And you?
I like red. It's strong and bright.
What time do you wake up for school?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. It gives me energy.
That's good. I sometimes skip breakfast.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, a lot of math homework.
Oh no. I have science homework.
Let's do it together after school.
Good idea.
Do you like exams?
No. Exams are stressful.
Me too, but they are important.
Yes, we need to study hard.
What do you do after school?
I go home and do my homework. What about you?
I play football with my friends.
That sounds fun. Do you play every day?
No, only on weekends.
Do you watch TV after school?
Yes, sometimes. I like cartoons.
Me too. My favorite is Tom and Jerry.
That's a great show. What do you do on weekends?
I go to the park with my family. And you?
I play football with my friends.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
Where have you been?
I have been to France. It was amazing.
Wow! I want to go there someday.
Oh, the bell is ringing. Time for class.
Yes. Let's go.
See you later, Tia.
See you, Ollie.